solving these Leetcode two problems, and one is the preorder, one is the postorder. Okay, so let me explain. So usually in a binary tree, preorder means that we first preorder means the roots is the we start at the roots, and then we start from the left and the right. So the roots is important, then we start from its children. Okay, so and the postorder we start from its children and then we go its roots. Okay, so the recursive solution basically, if we see the we first initialize some list L, and we if the root is non-empty, this is preorder, so we first append the value of the roots, then we recursive finds goes into its children. And for the postorder, then we do the same thing. We just start from its children, and we change it, go into its roots. So basically, just shuffle these two code, shuffle this line and these two lines. Okay, and for the usual and for the computation, you just start from L, and you initialize L as empty, and you call its helper. You call this preorder, and basically these two are exactly the same. So the only difference is these two just shuffle these two lines. Okay. Okay, so you can solve this problem very quickly. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.